Hey there, thanks for tuning in. This is a quick tutorial on the real estate dashboard, which is basically a portal to schedule an inspection with us. Uh, you will have 24/7 access to our schedule to book an inspection. It helps when you're working with your client and you get a short option period, 3-day option period, and you want to make sure that you can get it inspected within that time frame. Go ahead and tap on our icon on your phone and select a date and time, and we will meet their needs. Uh, all it takes is, like it says here, a click of a button, 3 areas of information. Could be any easier. Uh, this is the logo that'll be installed on your phone. Uh, this is the landing page. This is your page. This will have your picture, your information. Uh, from here, you can call us, you can email us, you can order an inspection, you can view your past inspections with us, you can update your phone if you want to change your picture, if so you get a new haircut or hair color, you can update your picture, you can update your phone number. It's fairly customizable to meet your needs. And let's walk through how easy it is to schedule that inspection. Tap the Order Inspection tab on the app. Scroll through, find the day and date that you want. Click it, and drop-down menu will come down with time slots. Select which time slot you or your client prefer. And these are the start times that we start the inspections. Then let us know where the inspection is going to take place. Give us the address. Then let us know about the client. Give us their all of their information. Definitely going to need their name, email, and phone number. Good contact. From there, you're going to come to a review page. Review the information here. If there's anything that we need to know, any special requests, contact you before we contact the client, specific hours to contact the client, any special access requirements for the property. If it's not on Supra, maybe knock on the door 3 times, ring the doorbell twice, and we'll gain access. Whatever it is, let us know that here while you're thinking about it, while it's on your mind, and we'll have it. You click the place order button, and it's sent directly to us, and we'll get that information. We'll contact the client. We'll set their expectations, and we'll take it from there. You'll receive a follow-up email with the reminder for the inspection, just like normal process. So you will receive, or you have received, an email from us with your personal link to this app. We'll want you to open it from your phone, so you can click the link from your phone. Then once you click on the link, it'll take you to a web page, and click the Save to Device button at the bottom of the landing page, and then follow the directions. It'll have specific directions for your device, whether it's Android or Apple. So click the link, save it to your device, and you will have the icon and app and portal at your disposal. So yes, definitely thank you for allowing us to be part of your success and part of your business, and we hope you use this app. This does not take away from any personal relationships we may have or you may want. More than happy to take your calls or texts. Continue business as usual. But if you would prefer, you can use this route. So if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to reach out. We're here to help. Thank you.